We record you. But I think use your flag. Okay, no problem. No problem. More use ours.
Yes, Excellency. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah.
So can we know the processes that led to emergence and coming back to say thank you to
Okay. Well, as you all know, I went through primaries, and upon going through primaries, I emerged the candidate and the flag bearer for the APC for the Ovia Federal Constituency by-elections. After which we went into the general elections, and thank God on Saturday the 16th of August I emerged victorious, and I'm now the member-elect for Ovia Federal Constituency.
So what should people of Ovia be expecting from you now, going to the Green Chamber for the second time?
The people of Ovia Federal Constituency should expect me to hit the ground running. The National Assembly is somewhere I'm very familiar with, and indeed I have already a few motions and bills that I will be putting forth, and a list of projects as I journey through my constituency that I would wish to undertake for the people of Ovia Federal Constituency. So indeed, like I said, I'm not new to the National Assembly. I know my way, and that will be the advantage that I will be bringing to the table.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.